Alright guys, how's it going?
Afternoon.
It's not even afternoon.
It is, isn't it?
Oh yeah, sorry. Afternoon. If you don't know what this is, it is an RS3.
Well done.
It's a 2.5 litre turbo, 400 horsepower-ish.
480 newton meters of torque, or meters newton of torque.
Yeah, bit of torque.
Bit of torque, yeah. 0 to 60 claimed in 4.1 seconds. But
4.1?
That's what it says, yeah?
That ain't, no way.
That's what people say. Why, what, why?
4.1?
That's what they say, yeah, why?
Nah.
What are you thinking?
I can't see it doing 4.1. So we're going to use the Dragy, by the way, which is a really accurate little box thing that connects to your phone. If you've not seen any of the other videos we've done, the Focus did 4.9 seconds.
Yeah.
And that should be doing it in around 4.6, 4.7.
Yeah.
So I reckon this is going to be down by about 0.3. So I'm going to go with 4.4.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you know, Audi's notoriously over-egged their 0 to 60s.
So you're saying under 4 seconds?
I think that there is a very strong possibility that I can get this starting with a 3. What are we saying?
Nah.
You're going to have a bet on there or what?
I'm not betting against under 4 seconds because I'm not that confident.
Fucking shit
But
house.
I am going to bet that I beat you.
Ah, here we go.
To 60, fastest to 60.
Okay,
what do you reckon?
I'm happy with that. That's
so
fine.
we'll do our usual.
Yeah.
I'll bet you a breakfast on Monday morning.
Okay, I mean you owe me a breakfast because my missus paid for the breakfast this morning. Amazingly.
Well, I don't owe
she
you
never
then,
pays.
do I?
She never pays for breakfast.
I owe her. I don't owe you.
You fucking definitely owe me a breakfast.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
I bought you loads of breakfast.
That's because you keep losing.
No, I buy you breakfast without even losing, and then I buy you breakfast. So really, you owe me loads anyway. Waffling as usual. What else about this car? You can't just say 400 horsepower, 418 newton-meters of torque.
So it's the sport edition. You get pan roof, black styling pack, different wheels, super sport seats, and a few other little bits and pieces. So the sport, and a sports exhaust, which is everything you'd want on an RS3 really.
And it doesn't even sound good.
That's just the OPF filter. We're sorting that out. Don't worry about that.
So
not everyone's got a 600 horsepower Nissan GTR with a wide pipe thing in it.
Yeah, a bit of torque.
We're gonna have to sort this out.
Right. Well, should we just stop talking shit and get on started?
with it? Yeah,
right.
come on then.
Right, why am I actually driving this first?
Because
we can't be bothered putting the seat forward.
Yeah, and
Just short ass here.
so run one. I've let Lee have a go first.
I'm not even ready.
Why? What's up with you?
I don't even know how to engage.
Launch control.
Yeah.
Dead easy. We're in dynamic.
Yeah.
Foot on the brake. Into sport. Or drive. Nudge it back one.
ESC off.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's completely off now.
Yeah.
Everything else is off. Absolutely slam the, as long as the car's warm enough, which hopefully it is,
Right.
slam the accelerator down.
That's not engaging, is it?
Don't know.
Is it? 3,500
I
reps?
think so.
Ah, can't be. Doesn't feel like it is.
Soon see.
Yeah. It's like a brake. It's like the brake's holding it.
Is it?
That didn't feel that quick to me.
No, I think it needs to
And it feels a bit bouncy.
warm up, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That road is quite bouncy.
Can I have it in like stiff suspension and everything? Because that's a bit bouncy to
That's
me.
that's as hard as you're going to get it.
Nah,
It is.
that's well bouncy.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah. That was 4.42 seconds according to that.
I don't think that was engaged. Where's drive select? Right, so dynamic.
Yeah.
It just feels, the suspension feels soft to me. It's like it was in a bit, yeah.
Well, the road does do that. It's the road that undulates. It's not the car. It's the road. You can see it from here. It goes like...
So we're definitely in the right settings?
Yeah, 100%.
ESC off, right,
Yeah.
okay. One thing I just want to say before we start off, last time it was really hot and people said, just do it on a cooler day.
Yeah,
we
which
get
it
more
is.
boost.
So it's 15 degrees today.
Right, so
Can I just
nice.
point out as well,
Yeah.
this is 0 to 60, not 0 to 80.
Alright, so you want me to stop at 60?
Oh, 65.
He's just bothered about the fuel.
Fucking
You
right.
tight ass.
Slamming on the brakes. It was...
Not bad. I wouldn't say it's mind-blowingly quick though.
It's not like proper launch control. It's weird. Even my S3 felt like proper launch control. This,
Yeah,
I don't know. This is weird. It feels weird. It doesn't feel like proper launch control.
but Do you know what you said to me about that video that TR Hamza did?
Yeah.
He's got exactly the same car, exactly the same.
Yeah.
And I didn't watch the whole video, but I think he was struggling as well.
Yeah, he was struggling trying to get it to launch control. If you haven't seen that video, by the way, go and check it out. So do you want to have a little look to see what those were first?
I will. So there you go. 4.18. To be fair, it doesn't feel that fast.
No, it doesn't, does it?
It feels to me like 4.5. Obviously a lot quicker than the Focus, but the Focus didn't feel fast anyway. If you've not seen that video, go check that out. I'll put it up here. I just want to get comfortable for this.
You fucking lying down?
It's better. Tired today.
You're right there, Pops, yeah?
Tired, yeah. It's like, this is not that quick. It doesn't feel quick. 4.46. It's getting worse. So basically, he was going on about the Focus being like so slow, it's unbelievable.
Yeah.
This isn't much in front of it. If you did a drag race with this, you would literally be a nose in front, maybe half a car in front. So, you know, 50 grand compared to, well, 30 brand new. Are we 20 grand in front?
It's weird, isn't it? It's weird. It doesn't feel quick.
But to be fair to the car, I don't think it's launching properly.
No.
That to me is just a braked sort of like start. It's
Even
not.
like
It's not proper.
it's like
launch
crawls
control.
off the line. It
Doesn't bang away, does it? It doesn't like go whack. You know, like right. So we've turned. Before the ESC was completely off, held it down for what, 5 seconds.
Something like that.
Now it's just off, which isn't actually off.
It's like
half
sport.
and half.
It says it's
Sport
off.
mode. Yes, that is definitely better. So that, I'm thinking that's a lot quicker, maybe half a second quicker. But 4.16.
Definitely short shifted then, didn't it? It's a second.
4.32. So something amiss.
Definitely.
Because if people have said these have got to 60 in under 4 seconds, then we're not really.
Which pre-OPF, 100%. There's plenty of videos out there on YouTube that suggest that they do. And even TR Hamza managed, I think it was 3.94 in the end.
Well, he was on his own. So what we're going to do now is we'll do a run each, and then on our own, and then we'll see.
But we're not going to check the times until we've both done the run.
And we're both out.
And we're both out, yeah, because I want to win again.
Well, to be fair, nobody's really shockingly quicker than the other person, are they? So
no,
I don't think it's going to be tight. Whichever way you look at this, it's going to be close. Right, so it could be breakfast time on Monday. Are you feeling confident in your RS3?
Not really, no.
So bearing in mind,
at all.
I'm 100 kilos. You are
half that.
Right, so in reality, that's about half a second.
I'm about 80 kilos.
So I've got a handicap of half a second. So if I do 4 seconds and you do 3.5,
yeah,
that's a draw. Okay.
Right, fine.
Right.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. We have to wait for him to go. We've got our fans turning up now.
Our groupies.
Watching us. Have a look at this. Get following us on Insta. Evil GT Cars. What do you reckon? And this guy, he does all the social media.
I try.
So if you speak to anyone on Insta, it'll be this guy, Ben. Are you going?
Yeah.
Are you doing it? Got a bit of traffic to contend with. Looks like a duel.
So, here we go. Fingers crossed. I can't be beaten by Lee. He doesn't even like Audis all that much. I can't be beaten.
Oh, he's stalling here. You can see he's getting worried.
Build the boost.
To be fair, that does sound pretty good because that car sounds really quiet inside, and even though we've only done what 5 runs now, the clutch seems like it's slipping to me.
I hope that was quick. I mean, it felt alright. I don't know if you sort of get used to it. It's weird this, how it launches, really weird. It's the S3 and this launch completely different, even though the S3 was what, 6-7 tenths of a second slower, it felt quicker. I don't even know how that's possible, but it did.
And there goes a GoPro. Do 5 runs with you in the car, then you lose the GoPro.
Has it come off?
Yeah. You bleeding hooligan.
Right, come on then, soppy bollocks. It's your go.
Alright, come on then. Get out. So anyone that thinks GoPros are indestructible, absolutely destroyed.
That's not gone well.
But, still recording. Still works. So, it can go back on. We've taken a bit of a break, so we've got 1 run to do, but these guys down there are spoiling our party.
Do you know what I realised? By the way,
What?
can I just point this out?
If you want.
You only just started following Evil GT Cars, your own channel on Instagram. It was literally yesterday, wasn't it?
I know,
was
yeah.
it this morning?
But I haven't got time. I haven't got time to be doing Instagram stuff. That's your job.
That's your own personal Instagram account, not following your own personal YouTube, Instagram account. Right, I hope he's slow as fuck now, because I can't have him beating me in a car he's not bothered about.
Beating you. I'm already thinking what I'm having for my breakfast on Monday.
Hopefully, bad luck for you.
I don't think I'm going to be going crazy on Monday for my breakfast.
Not feel fast?
Nah.
How come?
Did you hear it short shift?
Yeah.
It shifted at about 4,000 RPM.
Weird, isn't it? Something's holding this car back.
Yeah, definitely. Right, so moment of truth.
I can't explain to you how much I want to beat you.
We've not looked at these, so the last one on was mine. What did I do?
4.1, bang on. Yeah, 4.1, bang on it was.
4.1. So this is yours.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
You're not confident, are you?
No.
Why not?
I don't know.
3.81.
Get in!
0.3 seconds faster.
Oh, it's always a bot.
Mine did short shift.
So did mine.
No, not as much. Mine shifted at 4,000 RPM.
Listen, I'm not having it. I actually beat by 3.3 seconds.
So 3.81. But at the beginning of the video, before we did them, I did say I've got a half a second handicap over you because I'm heavier. So I'd take half a second off mine.
Yeah. Who's saying
So 3.6. You agreed to it.
Oh God, no, I didn't.
You did agree to
Did
it.
I shite? Is this that silent agreement that we've not had?
You agreed to it.
I don't remember that.
So if I do 4 seconds and you do 3.5,
yeah,
that's a draw. Okay.
Right, fine.
Right.
Half a second.
Yeah.
Give us a break, man.
He's won again.
Get in!
But
I mean, this is getting boring now, I'll be honest with you. It's a bit embarrassing.
No, but the last one I won.
You're getting upset now.
I won on the Focus
You're
one.
Proper upset now.
So
it's getting well
and
upset.
then you won on the RS4. So go check out all them videos.
Yeah. Anyway, I won 3.81 seconds, 4.1 seconds, 0.3 of a second faster. Thanks very much. There's your Dragy phone back. I knew she wouldn't let me down. I knew it.
Where are you going?
I knew it. I'm getting off. That's it. It's me done. See you later.
So it looks like I've got to pay for breakfast on Monday.
Again.
Shit happens. He's not even going to do it. He's not even going to do the video. So I'll say thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting. And he's that ignorant, he's just going to go. So cheers, see you later. I don't think he was joking when he said he was going.